Hi, it's Emilio, Immobiliser Fit, and today we've secured this Kia Stinger 2021 with another Starline i96 Pro Immobiliser. This system either uses push sequence using the factory buttons or can be paired with the customer's phone in a Bluetooth adjustable range before the vehicle can be started. So obviously if someone cloned this key, stole this key, hopped in, tried to start the vehicle up, it just won't start. So what we'll do, we'll show you it with the buttons, but just note it can also be paired with the phone, so you don't have to do the push sequence every single time. So to put the push sequence in, it's a double press of the ignition to get it on. Pop the pin code in. We've kept it simple at 1, 2, 3. Get our disarm tone, and our foot on the brake, and we can start the vehicle up. So if the customer wants to change the code on this vehicle, it can be set anything between 3 and 21 presses of their choosing on supported buttons. And the way you change it is ignition on, and first obviously disarm the system and get your disarm tone. There we go. Now press one of the buttons 5 times and ignition off back on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition. Get 5 bleeps. And this is ready to receive a new code. So we'll just change it to the button next to it. We'll wait for a confirmation. And then repeat that again. And we should get the same confirmation if that code's correct. There we go. So now that's the code learnt. We'll turn it off, give it 10 seconds. The system will be immobilised and it'll be looking for either that new code or the customer's phone. So now if we start it up, you'll see the vehicle's protected, it won't start. We keep trying to start it, doesn't start. So ignition on with a double press, foot off the brake, put our new code in, receive our disarm tone, and the vehicle will start. So at some point the customer may need to put this into service mode and obviously take it back to Kia so they can road test it, service it, or do what they need to do. And they obviously don't want to disclose the push sequence and don't want to hand the phone over. So the way you put it into service mode is ignition on and disarm the system as usual. Got our disarm tone. Now press one of the buttons 11 times, cycle the ignition, and we'll get 2 bleeps. Ignition off, double press to get it back on. 2 bleeps. So now this is a normal car. So when he takes it back to Kia, it will just act and behave as if there's no immobiliser fitted to it. It starts up straight away and they can do what they need to do. Obviously when you get it back from them, you'll want it protected, and to turn it back on, all you need to do is ignition on, pop your code in. There we go, we get our valet mode 2 bleeps. So now this vehicle's secure again. So if you want to secure your vehicle and you want it protected against relay attack, key cloning and other methods of theft, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit and our number is 0208 212 7393 and we'll secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.